everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tabitha Betancourt, and I got a message from my neighbor, and she said, hey, my box from Echo Park just came in. I can't wait to go get it at the post office because, you know, we don't have mail delivery where we live. Yeah, the cool thing is I had ordered my box the night after she'd ordered hers, so I was just hoping when I got back home that my box would be there, and yes, it was. And this is my box. I am so excited! So I knifed it to unopen it. So let's open it up and see what we've got. They sent us wrapping paper, just like Amazon. How nice! See? I know, you guys are probably thinking that this is trash. It's actually not. I end up using that as my wrapping paper with those rosettes I made in another video and the coffee cups as decoration. I take the baker's twine and I use this as the ribbon. Let's get on with what's in the box because it's so exciting. These are absolutely, 'twas the night before Christmas. And I'm actually going to give you I'm not even gonna try. I'm actually going to show you all of this up close afterwards. Ooh, 6x6 stencils. That is really cute. Oh, decorative brads. Did everybody get these in their box? Celebrate winter. I just throw everything everywhere. Celebrate winter. Decorative brads. They're cute. Ooh, special offer. Save an extra 10% on all Echo Park outlet orders now through December 31st. Coupon code. You didn't buy the box, so you don't get the coupon code. Thank you, Echo Park. Very much. Ooh, and these fans. Mini paper fans, Carta Bella Rock-a-Bye Baby. I have in the last mystery box that I bought, or warehouse box that I bought, I got the boy version of these. And I was actually took a present down for one of our daughters who had a boy, and I totally forgot to put the bow on his package. Oh, Carta Bella, 15 feet of decorative tape. And it is definitely a winter-themed decorative tape. It looks like it's got Christmas wreath garland, Christmas garland, or the green garland on it. Enamel dots, Carta Bella, Christmas. Trying to get that for you to see. And then Hello Fall, the Let It Snow, frames and tags, Carta Bella. And we'll definitely be getting the look at everything that's in the back, but it's cute. I like it, but I like paper, so let's just see it. We've got the Wise Men Still Seek Him enamel shapes, and I got this at Tuesday morning, the paper pack at Tuesday morning. Decorative tape, Echo Park, 15 feet, and this is the navy stripe. It's very pretty. It is actually going to be really pretty in my Happy Planner, because I'm a Happy Planner gal. Carta Bella designer stamps, Santa's Workshop. I love stamps. And then another Carta Bella Christmas delivery chipboard accents. If you remember in the warehouse box we bought a couple months ago, this was in there, and I used them. In fact, they're going out on my Christmas cards this week. I'm done with Christmas this year. So anything that's Christmas, I knew that there would be Christmas in here. Anything that's Christmas is actually going to be put aside for next year. So, yeah. A 6x6 paper pad, Wish Upon a Star. How cute is that? And this has 24 double-sided. That would make really cute fans if they were double-sided. 'Twas the Night Before Christmas, Volume 2, paper pack! I love Christmas paper, and many of you know the lady and then silver foil stripes collection contains 6 12x12s, double-sided, very cute. Does it show you the colors? The colors are really cute, aren't they? There you go, really cute. Love that. Christmas Time by Karina Gardner and the Echo Park. And this, Karina, you've got great taste in your Christmas. And stickers. Oh, 'Twas the Night Before Christmas, Volume 1. Score! Major score! Yes! Awesome score. Look at that. So, Volume 1. Sorry, Max. I scared my dog. There's Volume 1. And here is Volume 2. And there's the rub-ons. All go together. That is awesome. Sorry, I didn't mean to hit you. I just hit you. Here, I'll fix you. Dots and Stripes Echo Park Winter Collection Kit. That is... Wouldn't that be cool with the winter? Where was that? Oh, it actually would go really cute with 'Twas the Night Before Christmas paper pack. Almost like they were thinking about this. Did they plan this? Echo Park, did you plan this? Because it was a brilliant plan if you did. So I will keep those together for next year. Oh, A Perfect Autumn by Alicia Gordon. Here, Autumn. That's really pretty. And then the back is the sticker sheet. Oh, look! Christmas collection kit. Yay! Dots and Stripes, look at all of that. Yeah. That will go with that again. And then, let's move this box. Animal Safari 24 single-sided papers. And we need to do a flip through of that, but we're also going to do a flip through of this. Anyways. I wouldn't normally buy some of this stuff. And some of this stuff I have literally been screaming at trying to find. I mean, I stop in at my Tuesday morning every time I am in the big girl town, which is quite often recently. And I look for it, but I can't really find it. And when I do find it, it's usually not the stuff that I would normally buy. So I'm excited. I really like the stuff that was in this box. Would I do the box again? Yeah, because it's kind of like the mystery / I like the company anyway / whatever I get, I'm going to figure out something to do with it. Build my stash back up and have fun with life. guys have an absolutely amazing day. I am just so privileged that you actually stopped in to say hello and to see me. Leave a comment box and comment in the boxes below. Tell me what you're working on. Are you all finished with Christmas, and are you all finished with the projects that you've been working on? And what are you going to next? Because is it weird that I'm actually thinking of Valentine's Day right now? I know, right? Don't throw anything at the screen. Literally, don't throw your phone! Sorry if I screamed in your ear, just a little. Anyways, bye you guys. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell to be notified of any future videos when they are released. I love having fun here, and this is all we're doing. We're all having fun. We are all having fun. Here. We're all having fun. It's all fun. I want to put the scissors down and you might believe me a little bit better. Anyways, you guys have a great day. I adore you all. Bye. Squeaky chair, squeaky chair. Some areas actually don't have mail delivery. I know, mind-boggling, really it was. But there are some spools that are like the ribbon spools that never end. Sing song here. It's the ribbon that never ends. It goes on and on, my friend. Oh, maybe not. Decorative, not my favorite thing to work with in the world, but these are really cute. Okay, old people have to put glasses on. They are so adorable. I love adorable things. We're just gonna make a pretty little pile right there. I'm moving on. Blonder than my husband pays for me to be. And then look at this. It's so cute. Tour. If you haven't seen the Tuesday morning video, you need to see the Tuesday morning video because, hello, it's actually really funny when my husband realized what I did. Oops. It was funny. No. So I'm really coveting this. Probably shouldn't say that word, but oh well, I do. And not a real big fan of the alphabet part. It's just my own personal opinion because I have way too many T's in my name. Tabitha Bettencourt. I mean, I have way too many T's in my name. Not to mention, you don't know my middle name, and it's got T's in it too. Because my tea is getting cold. That, ugh. I'm over 50, and there's a saying called an allergy attack. It's a polite way that us women at my old church would say we were having hot flashes. Woo! And the heater just came on. Woo! Anyways, so when you hear me, if you ever hear a video where I say, oh, I'm having an allergy attack, it's my way of telling my husband that, or my girlfriends that I'm around, that I'm having a hot flash and man, I'm about to strip down naked. No, I'm just kidding. I wouldn't do that, but they are quite hilarious. I think that is hilarious. Okay, that goes it. I'm rambling. That's it. I'm rambling. I am putting the Christmas collection